All right, there's an investigation tonight after a train smashes right into a semi-truck. This is what it looked like just after 2 this afternoon. This is right along Highway 29 in Fairburn. Amazingly, no one was hurt. There wasn't any hazardous material either on board, but a fire did start. First responders from Fairburn and South Fulton, they were able to get that fire out. The Rockdale County community is getting ready to say a final goodbye to a firefighter. Rockdale County firefighter Juan Antonio Smith II will be laid to rest tomorrow morning. Smith lost his life 2 weeks ago when the fire truck he was riding in overturned responding to a call. His celebration of life is at 11 at Springfield Baptist Church in Conyers.